for airplane, flying high in the sky. B is for bicycle, watch those wheels roll by. C is for car, zoom in on the road. D is for dump truck, carrying a heavy load. Transport fun from A to Z. Learning vehicles is the key. Big or small, they all play a part. Let's name them all, it's a great way to start. E is for excavator, digging up the ground. F is for ferry, crossing waters all around. G is for glider, soaring in the breeze. H is for helicopter, buzzing like the bees. Transport fun from A to Z. Learning vehicles is the key. Big or small, they all play a part. Let's name them all, it's a great way to start. I is for ice cream truck, bringing sweet delights. J is for jet ski, on water it ignites. K is for kayak, paddling near and far. L is for locomotive, the mighty train star. M is for motorbike, racing through the town. N is for narrowboat, slowly drifting down. O is for oil tanker, crossing the wide sea. P is for police car, keeping us worry-free. Q is for quad bike, riding off the track. R is for rocket, blasting and coming back. S is for submarine, deep under the waves. T is for tractor, where the farmland paves. U is for unicycle, balancing so neat. V is for van, delivering a treat. W is for wagon, carrying supplies. X is for Zebek, a sailing surprise. Y is for yacht, cruising so grand. Z is for zeppelin, floating over the land. From A to Z, vehicles